We are going to start the NCERT Maths Grade 6 and we are going to learn International System of Numeration. In International System we use the numbers which are in, say, I am giving you one example is 1592. So in international system we use ones, tens, hundreds, then the 3 digits for thousand, then the millions. So this way we write the international system, while in Indian system what we write? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and this way we do it. While putting the commas, we start from every 3 digits. 1, 2, 3 digits we have put comma, then again 3 digits we have put comma, then we will put again after 3 digits. So this way we put the comma in international system, while in Indian system we put comma first 3 digits from right, then comma, then from every 2 digits we put the comma. These 2 digits, then these 2 digits, and then here we have comma. So in Indian system and international system, this is the difference of putting the commas. We are writing this as 50 million. This we write as 50 million 800 1,000 500 92. In Indian system it is 5 crore 8 lakhs 1,592. Now how many lakhs make 1 million? So 10 lakhs equal to 1 million. 10 lakhs equal to 1 million. And how many millions make 1 crore? So 10 million equal to 1 crore. And if there is a number which is larger than million, then that is named as billion. So 1 billion equal to 1,000 million. Similarly, 1 trillion equal to 1,000 billion. Now we go to some facts about the population using the international system of numbers. So India's population increased by about 27 million. 27 million during 1921 to 1931. 1921 to 1931. It means that the increase in population was 2 crore or 2 crore 70 lakhs or 2.7 crore. Then 37 million during 1931 to 1941. The increase in population was 37 million during 1931 to 1941, which is equal to 3 crore 70 lakhs or 3.7 crore. The increase in population was 44 million during 1941 to 44 million during 1941 to 1951. This is equal to 4 crore 40 lakhs or 4.4 crore. Seventy-eight million during 1951 to 1961. This is equivalent to or equal to 7 crore 80 lakh or 7.8 crore. The question asked is, how much was the increase in population during 1991 to 2001? So, the increase in population was during it was 136. The increase in population was 136 million during 1991 to 2001. which is approximately equal to 13 crore 60 lakhs or 13.6 crore. Do you know what is the India's population? Today, we cannot say exactly about it, but the estimated or approximate population at the end of 2019 was the population of India in 2019 was approximately 1,336 1,366 million, which is equal to 136.6 crore. This can also be written as 1.366 billion. Let us write few more numbers in international system. We write some population of other countries. The population of USA is 328 million at the end of 2019. The China population of China is 1,393 million. If we convert these figures into Indian system of numbers, then the US population will be 32.8 crore. And China's population will be 139.3 crore. In next video, we are going to do some examples on numbers.